Hello everyone, today we are going to start a quick revision for the looping, while loop, for loop and infinite loop. You have seen in the board on the screen that for in range bracket 1 comma 10 colon it is giving error. Why it is giving error? Because the syntax is not correct. Okay, in the Python if the syntax is incorrect it will give you always the error. Okay, so we have to take care of that one. What happens here? We are writing the correct one, which is for I in range 1 comma 10 colon. Okay, when we will hit the enter and we will write print I, it will give you the values which contains I, which is from 1 to 10. It means it will start from 1 and end with 10. Okay, you can see on the screen values is starting from the 1 and going to the 9. Okay, total 10 values are there. Okay, or when you will start with the 0, it will give you the starting value 0 and ending with the 8 or 9. Okay, whatever is the last range value. Okay, next we are going to find out the looping while loop. Okay, the statement will be what? I is equal to 1. Okay, it is correct. Then while you are typing while, if the you can see here I is equal to 1 while I is less than or equal to 0, it is giving syntax error. Means we have put the incorrect syntax. Now we will start the correct one, which is 1. I is equal to 0 while I, again we will write is less than or equal to any desirable value, 10, 12, 15, 5 you can write. Here I am writing 10 while I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, by entering I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, we will write the syntax, it is correct syntax, while I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, when we will hit the enter, okay, we will give a blank one and we will write here print value. Okay, print in the small bracket we will write I because it will print the value of I. Okay, when we will hit the enter we will get the desired value. You can see here from value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now next we will go to the next section. Okay, infinite loop. Just we will write while true. Okay, it will give you true. After true we will put a colon here and then we will write print bracket, in bracket whatever is written in the quotation it will be repeated infinite times. Okay, hello world, we are typing here hello world. Okay, now you can see it is goes on. Okay, when we will type control plus C it will break the looping, it will break the infinite loop. Okay, so in this section we have seen the revision, quick and effective revision of for loop, while loop and infinite loop. Okay, thank you.